and I've taken the candles out of the box because I've already filmed this and nobody wants to see me trying to get the candles out of the box for a couple of minutes. So this is the Yankee candle Christmas gift set. Now I was supposed to film this way before Christmas, however it was sitting in the corner of my room. I did buy, I think I bought about 4 for gifts, but I got somebody else a different gift and kept this one for myself, which I knew I was going to do anyway. So these are the candles here, and I'm just going to show you them. I'm just going to talk you through a little bit about them, and on the back it actually tells me the burn time. So they come in a box with this sleeve on, and they're really well packaged. So I had one posted out to my friend Jo, so I'm hoping that hers all arrived in good condition. She's a candle fanatic. She lives down in London, so the weather's often kind of a lot nicer for Jo than it is up here, but she'll message me and she'll be sitting in a garden with all her candles around her, so I thought who better to send that candle gift set to. And I got one for my sister-in-law who's always burning candles, my niece and Antonia, because she loves candles as well. But these candles are all Christmas, so you get 1 medium, 2 small, 3 votives and 12 tea lights. So I'm just going to show you the first one here, which is the medium one, and it is 411 grams and it's called Holiday Hearth. Now it tells you here that the medium candle burns for 90 hours. Which I think is absolutely fantastic. So you get 90 hours out of that. Remember though, if you want to avoid your jar going all kind of black around here and giving off kind of sooty smoke, trim your wick. I did have a wick trimmer that I got in a set, but I never used it. So I gave it to Antonia, but all I do is just kind of trim it with my fingernails, and that's all I do. Go in and just trim. You have to make sure you clean them, obviously you end up sooty, but I just nick them with that, and it stops you getting that black soot from your candle, and it helps it to burn properly. That is one tip I would give anybody when burning candles, is trim the wick. But this one smells absolutely gorgeous. So you've got 90 hours there. Oh, and if you're like me, I never used to burn candles. Would not thank you for burning a candle. When the boys were wee, I was just so scared of candles and fire and things getting, boys bombing around all over the place. But now, I'm quite happy. A couple hours at night, even during the summer. This is the first house where my kitchen's off the living room, so I'm always conscious if I've been cooking, if cooking smells. So I often light candles in the living room just to help get rid of that horrible cooking smell without adding, artificial air fresheners or things like that. So I do like to use them for that reason. So I burn them all year round now, from not burning to all the time. So these are the small candles you get 2 of them, and they're 104 grams, and you get the Tree Farm Festival and the All Is Bright. They're so cute. Now they are absolutely lovely. Now these burn right there for 40 hours. I think that's unbelievable. 40 hours. So if you're like me and you're only burning it for a couple of hours, then you'll get a lot of use out of these 2 candles, and they smell absolutely amazing. The Tree Farm Festival, it does not smell like pine. It's very fresh actually. It's got a really nice fresh smell to it, but it does not smell like pine disinfected, which is what I think might put a lot of people off. And All Is Bright is just, it's kind of, there's citronella in it, and you can actually smell the kind of citrusy citronella, so that smells lovely. I don't know if I can see what's in the Christmas Tree Farm. No, I can't actually see what's in that one. So the next item you get is 3 votives. There we go. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. However, these each burn for how long? Can't tell me. It doesn't tell me how long these burn for. Told me how long everything else burnt for. 15 hours up to, so obviously they can burn less than that, but up to 15 hours. I think that's fantastic. So there's Christmas cookie, which is really sweet. I've got a big jar of this for my Christmas from Antonia, and it just smells so lovely. You can actually just smell somebody cooking cookies, baking cookies, red apple wreath. Yeah, that's really, really festive. Steve's not a big fan of cinnamon, so sometimes I have to be careful with Christmas candles, and this is called Christmas Magic. and it's 49 grams. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Now I sniffed this one earlier because I've already filmed this as well, and this is called Snow and Love. You get 12 of these tea lights and they burn for 6 hours each, up to anyway. And what I would say about this is it's one of these, it doesn't smell like, I'm not going to say it smells like fluffy towels, but it is subtle and fresh. So it's almost kind of like if somebody was to say, you know, you've taken your clothes out the dryer, it's got that kind of soft, really gentle comfort kind of softener smell to it. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. So a fantastic gift set, and I will use them up, and yeah, I just need to be careful not to burn any that smell like cinnamon around Steve. But you know, they bring these out a couple of times a year, usually for Christmas, around about Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. So I do tend to pick them up when I see them, usually in Boots. So yeah, you get the medium candle holiday hearth. Now if you're a Yankee Candle fan, you'll probably know what all these smell like, and if you're not, then it's really worth taking a kind of punt on them as well. All is bright and Tree Farm Festival. And if you got these for Christmas, let me know what you think. Christmas Cookie, Christmas Magic, and Red Apple Reef, and the Snow and Love. So I don't have masses of candles, however I am going to actually put them in one of my collection videos, because I am really bad at just like, I'll pick up a candle, or if I'm in Home Bargains I'll just pick that up, and I'm trying to kind of declutter the house and to kind of be a bit more minimal with the products that I have. So I don't mind having a few candles, you know, like this would be fine, but you know, when you've got these and all the other candles, and you know, this takes 90 hours to burn, and it, you know, 2 hours a night, you're talking, you know, 6 months probably for me to get through this. So I need to be a wee bit more realistic and not buy so many candles going forward. But I'll pop it in my collection video, and hopefully, you know, you're quite keen to watch those videos. I was really inspired by watching Marcia. She's done a selection of collection videos, because she's got masses of products, because I think she gets PR, she's got some boxes. She's not, I think she said she doesn't get as many boxes, but she's still got a lot of products to do them in individual videos, whereas mine, I'll kind of count them up, I'll write them down, and I'll kind of film them and just show you what I've got in each section individually. So I think that's probably the best way for me to do it. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. And if you're new here and you're still here, ring the bell and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.